In this video today, we are going to talk about JAMB past question and answer and how these past questions and answer can help you score up to 300 plus if you are writing JAMB in 2025. A lot of students writing JAMB don't even know that there's past questions, and some of them that know that there's past questions um, don't even bother sourcing for it, and it's very very bad because I'm speaking out of experience. I know some students that I've been teaching when I was teaching, that was last year when I taught in a JAMB class. Found out that some of these students were very reluctant to get the past questions. Some of them that were really, those ones that really knew what they wanted, they were eager to have the past questions, but the money was not there. The resources to get the past questions was not there. And that is why in this video today, if you have the money, in this video today, I'm going to talk about the importance of past questions and answer. So if you watch this video to the end, make sure you go and source for past questions and answer. And if you don't know where to source it, I'm going to tell you where you can get past questions and answer. And apart from just getting past questions and answer, you are going to see how you can be able to practice real life exam settings just in the comfort of your house. If you're coming across from my channel for the first time, my name is Basi Ejogba. I'm a 400 level student in the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science. And in my channel, I help students level up the academic game. If you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And just like I've said, in this video today, I'm going to talk about the importance of JAMB past question and answer and how it can help you score very high in your JAMB exam in 2025. Number one is that the past questions help you know the exam format. You cannot go for a war without knowing your opponents or knowing your rivals. You just know that there's a war, you are not carrying your weapons and start running. Where are you running to? You understand? You must know your opponents, know the method your opponent comes. You understand? Know how they fight. Do they fight using gun? Do they fight using knife? Do they fight using arrow? It is important that you know the format of the exams that you are about to write, the exam you are about to write. And what will give you a better clue of the exam you are about to write is the JAMB past questions and answer. So by getting the JAMB past question answer, it's going to tell you the format of your exam. The second is that it helps you learn commonly repeated topics. There are some topics that the people that set JAMB questions, I believe they are in love with. In fact, these topics, if you check JAMB past questions from 2010, let me tell you, from 2010 to 2024, that's almost 15 years. We check past questions from 2010 to 2024, which was last year. You get to find out that these topics in biology is always a must. Genetics, evolution, and respiration. They cannot do without these topics. What about cell structure in biology? It's always there. In English, you know that comprehension is there. It's a must. Antonyms and synonyms. That one is a sure constant. In mathematics, we have simultaneous equation. We have sorts and matrices. These are equations that are ever constant in these topics. What about waves? We have thermodynamics. What about physics? We have waves. We have thermodynamics. It's also there. If you come to chemistry, we have organic chemistry. You understand? We have organic and the inorganic chemistry. We have carbon and its compounds, which is a general cell. Carbon and compounds. You understand? These topics are topics that are always sure or commonly repeated. These topics is where you can get commonly repeated questions from. So when you study the JAMB past question and answer, it's going to show you, or it's going to tell you, the commonly repeated questions, and it will give you this focus. Understand? So you will know that questions are going to come out from there and you don't sleep on it. You get? So this past question will help you really know where they say their commonly repeated question, where their commonly repeated questions is going to come out from, and your only work now is to understand the logic of how they say these questions and read into two. You understand my point? The thought is that past question and answer, when you get your past question answer, just like I've said, the past question and answer will help you practice under exam conditions. You can get your past question and answer in any bookshop, local bookshop. You can borrow it from your friends. But if you don't have access to get it offline, There's an app I will recommend. The app is known as the Everest 23 app. The Everest 23 app is a JAMB app. That's a simple user interface. Understand? Helps you navigate and have access. You have access to 30 past questions. And apart from that, this app also will help you practice your JAMB questions under exam conditions. And when you finish, we'll also show you a result and tell you where you make your mistakes and also give you corrections. So the name of the app is known as Everest 23. To get this app, just go to Google Play Store and search for Everest 23. Download this app, sign up, and you have access to all these past questions and exam condition practice I am talking about. The fourth is that when you are after using the past questions to answer in exam condition, it helps you analyze your mistakes. It helps you know where you made mistakes and how you can correct that mistakes in future. Understand? The fifth is that the past question helps you pay attention to tricky question. Like I've said, JAMB is a tricky exam that I don't even know the people that set it. I don't know whether they are magicians or whatsoever. I don't care to know, but people that set JAMB questions are tricky. Your questions are tricky. You'll be feeling this is the answer, but the answer is there. You're feeling A is the answer, but actually D is the answer. It's just they're looking at you. You have this 100% confidence that A is the answer, but when you now check it and calm down, you get to find out that actually A wasn't the answer, it's D. Understand? So this past question and answer will help you pay attention to this their tricky questions and know the logic behind their questions, the setting method. The sixth is that you can use past questions to predict the future. Just like I've said, commonly repeated topics, commonly repeated past questions. The past question answer can help you predict the future. You can know that antonym and synonyms are sure constant. Just like I've said, evolution and the rest in biology, waves in physics, organic chemistry that's organic chemistry in chemistry. You understand my point? So the past question answer can help you predict the future. And another way you can use the past question and answer to pass your exams in flying colors is you have to practice morning, practice in the afternoon, and practice in the night. You have to practice. Practice makes perfect. Understand? Practice makes perfect. You cannot tell me you will practice with our past questions and answer for 6 months constant preparing for your JAMB exam and you tell me that you are going to fail. It's not going to happen. Understand? Or even though your village people are pursuing you, that's not how you will fail. Understand? I thought you will fail is 250 plus. You understand my point? So this is the importance of using past questions, or how you can use our past questions and answer and score very high in JAMB 2025. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this. And also don't forget to share this video to your friends so that they can come here and get value, and in turn I will feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this. And also drop it in the comment section your dream JAMB score in 2025. Are you aiming to score 250 plus? Are you aiming to score 300, or you are the 350 plus game? Drop it in the comment section also. And also, to help me show this video to a larger audience, please don't forget to hit on the like button, because when you hit on the like button, it's going to tell the YouTube algorithm that a lot of people are loving this video, and the algorithm will have no other option than to show this video to a larger audience. And until I see you in my next video, always remember that your dream is valid. With hard work, consistent practice, and dedication, you are sure of scoring 250 plus, 300, and 350 plus in your JAMB in 2025. I really love you. Thank you.